Do you want to stop smoking forever? Have you ever heard of a medicine made for this purpose? Using tobacco-based materials has a long history in some nations, however the usage shape could be different according to the local traditions. Today smoking cigarette, cigar, or other tobacco-based products is a worldwide phenomenon. Tobacco releases lots of chemicals during burning process. Most well-known of them is nicotine, which has a strong addictive effect on your brain reward circuits. Although there are other addictive and harmful chemicals too, but nicotine is considered as the strongest one. Low level of nicotine exists in some agricultural products too, such as tomatoes, potatoes, and eggplants. But the natural level of nicotine in vegetables or plants isn't sufficient to make any notable mood change in individuals. Nicotine in specific dosages acts as a stimulant, which will activate the brain's reward system for a short time. Therefore, the person feels more energetic, focused, and motivated. It also reduces the anxiety temporarily. But these positive effects aren't long-lasting, and just a few hours later, the person needs to get more nicotine by smoking another cigarette to be able to sustain his good feelings. Nicotine at higher dosages is extremely toxic and can cause symptoms like nausea, vomit, restlessness, diarrhea, seizures, and even death. Despite being strongly addictive and also toxic at high dosage, nicotine itself can't cause cancer in humans as most people think so. According to IARC classification, nicotine has been considered as non-carcinogenic so far, which means it isn't a cancer risk factor alone. Remember, tobacco's burning releases other chemicals which are certainly carcinogen, and nicotine is just one of them. So smoking increases the risk of cancer for sure. Chemicals such as arsenic, benzene, formaldehyde, cadmium, butadiene, and chromium are some of the top carcinogen compounds produced during tobacco's burning process. Nicotine addiction is the key feature responsible for people's continuous smoking throughout day and night. After a while since the beginning of smoking, your brain gets used to nicotine biologically, then without this chemical, it's very hard for you to feel motivated, energetic and focused. You may feel exhausted and sleepy during daytime too. So smoking withdrawal symptoms are really annoying and sometimes intolerant, especially when you have been smoking for so many years. In this case, your doctor or healthcare provider prescribes you nicotine replacement therapies to represent the nicotine effect on your brain, but with less intensity and also longer lasting impact. Therefore, it will be much easier for you to stop smoking gradually and forever. Nicotine addiction is the key feature responsible for people's continuous smoking throughout day and night. After a while since the beginning of smoking, your brain gets used to nicotine biologically, then without this chemical, it's very hard for you to feel motivated, energetic, and focused. You may feel exhausted and sleepy during daytime too. So smoking withdrawal symptoms are really annoying and sometimes intolerant, especially when you have been smoking for so many years. In this case, your doctor or healthcare provider prescribes you nicotine replacement therapies to represent the nicotine effect on your brain, but with less intensity and also longer lasting impact. Therefore, it will be much easier for you to stop smoking gradually and forever. Nicotine replacement therapies include some OTC methods, such as chewing gums, patch, and lozenge. These methods are effective for smoking cessation, but usually not as much as prescribed methods, such as nasal spray, inhalers, and medications. There are 2 FDA-approved medicines for this purpose: bupropion, with the brand name of Zyban, and varenicline tartrate, known as Chantix. Bupropion or Zyban is an effective antidepressant, which takes action by increasing the brain's circulating dopamine and norepinephrine. These are 2 important neurotransmitters for the brain, to be able to sustain the sense of happiness, motivated, and focused. Contrary to SSRI class, Zyban doesn't make you feel exhausted, low mood, or emotionally numb. Instead, it can keep you at a high level of mood and energy during treatment process. FDA has approved Zyban for treatment of 3 conditions: major depression disorder, seasonal affective disorder, and smoking cessation. Chantix is the other medicine for nicotine addiction treatment. This one has a different mechanism. It usually increases the nervous cell's sensitivity to dopamine response gradually. Therefore, you need less dopamine to stay happy and focused. Remember, both of these medicines need several weeks to take effect completely, and you need to consult with a doctor or addiction therapy center before usage, because they have their own side effects too, and in some conditions like pregnancy they are prohibited, or at least the patient needs to be monitored more frequently and closely. Thanks everyone, take care of yourself, and check out our YouTube channel for more healthcare videos, and if you like them, don't forget to subscribe.